How to play a YouTube video using the YouTube streaming feature in the VIA application. Start by launching the VIA app. Enter the room name, your nickname, then click on Login. Enter the provided code, then click on Login. You'll see a red bar appear. Click on Present. Click on the features on the left-hand side, then on YouTube. Open up a separate browser and search on YouTube the video that you want to present. Copy the link for the YouTube video and paste that link in the URL path section. You can add a name for this video next to the URL name. Then click on Add Media. Click on the link of the video and it will start playing on the projector screen. You can pause, play, and stop the video using the VIA app from the computer. And click on the X button to log out of the VIA application.